All of us learn, and we have been since the day we were born. But what exactly does it mean to learn? In the context of training and development, learning refers to a change in KSAOs, in behaviors, or some other measure of performance. The change is brought about by experience, whether it be through one of the development opportunities that we learned about earlier in the course or through intense practice. The way we learn, the way we induce a change, affects how information is perceived and stored in memory. When trainees use rehearsal, they go over information again and again and again repetitively until it sticks. When they use the organizing strategy, they look for similarities and trends across training topics. Elaboration involves relating current training content to previously learned training content, to more familiar knowledge.